How to duplicate template in Notion 2025. In this video, I'm going to be quickly showing you on how you can duplicate any type of templates on Notion in the easiest and most simplest way. And obviously, to get yourself started, do make sure to check the link down in the description below for discounted plans and pricings on Notion. Now, to go ahead and duplicate a template for yourself, what you're going to be doing is, first of all, do make sure to go ahead and open the template up. So to open the template up, first of all, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be going over to the proper template market space, which is www.notion.so/templates. Okay. So what you're simply going to be doing is you're going to write it down over here. And once you have gone to this URL, what it does is it gives you tons and tons of different templates over here. So let's say I want to go ahead with this free template that we have over here. And what you're going to be doing is you can either go ahead and get this template or view this template. Obviously, to duplicate it, you're going to click on get this template. Now, what happens is this template is going to appear in your main dashboard workspace. So, what we're going to be doing, first of all, we're going to add it to our workspace. And once this is in, to properly duplicate it, just go ahead and go over to the proper habit tracker template that we've picked off, and that is pretty much about it. Just go over to the template section, click on get this template, and that is how you're going to be duplicating a template for yourself. And to duplicate other templates that you already have, just go ahead, click on them, click on these three dots, click on duplicate, and that is how you can create duplicates of current templates. So that is pretty much about it for this video. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'm going to be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.